Welcome to the My Two Good Hands videos on the redo of our hall bath. So we're going to show you how to do tile, we're going to show you how to do the hardboard, remove a sink, install a sink, remove a toilet, install a toilet, remove a door, install a door, cut off the door, do baseboard and trim. Stay tuned, watch the whole series. Each video is broke up on the channel. We'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video. We're in a little bitty room. We're in the hall bathroom. So hey, sit back and relax. We're going to show you how we're going to make over the entire bathroom. But let me show you what we're going to do. First, second, third, fourth. So you know what's going on. And you can decide which videos you want to watch and what you want to learn about. So stay tuned. So welcome to our hall bath. What are we going to do in this video? We are going to show you is how to remove a door, because this door is going to be hard to work with everything in here. So stay tuned and enjoy My Two Good Hands video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. So one of the first things we're going to do before we work on this little room is remove this door, because it's just going to be in the way in and out. So how do you remove it? Well, there's a lot of ways you can remove it. You can take the hinge screws out. That's a whole bunch of screws and what have you. And we're going to call that the hard way to do it. The easy way to do it is to take the hinge pins out. So what we're going to do, we're going to get a small hammer and a punch. And we're going to come in here and take these out like this. When you pop that up a little bit, it'll become loose and you can pull it out just like that. So here's one up close. I'm going to put the punch under here. See how easy that is. The other one out. And your door comes off. So you don't lose the pins, I recommend you put them back in the hinges. So we did that with two simple tools. Little punch, just make sure this size here is smaller than the pin, and a little small hammer to tap them up. Easy how to, better than taking the screws out, maybe stripping the wood. So here, you can see how we made this floor higher here. And we're going to take this scale here, put it down here, and we're going to slide this down like this till it hits the floor. And you can see here the amount that floor is higher. And if you look at this, that's a little over a ½ inch with the glue and everything. And what we're going to do is we're going to move that up like another 1/8. So we're going to make it a little bit past 5/8 of an inch. So we're going to take you outside and show you how we're going to set up our door to cut our door off and not damage our door. So what we did, we took our door outside. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of tape and just put it right on the door like this. And we're going to do both sides, but we'll show you one. And you want to put a strip here, but remember you're going to cut that with the saw, and you don't want the saw to ride on the door, so put another piece up here so that your saw does not scratch your door. We set this for the depth we want, so we can put it against the bottom of the door, take our pencil or pen, and just make a line. Now we're going to turn the door over, do the other side, and we'll bring you back when we cut it. I want to check this, make sure the blade ain't going to go all the way through like it is. So we're going to open this one up too. Plug this in, and away from there. Now we're going to try this again with this saw. Same routine. You can see if you got a sharp blade, your door will cut really easy. Flip it over, get the other side, now the piece will drop off. So it drops off. You can pull your tape off. We'll get a file, we'll do a little deburring, and that'll be it. The door will be done. And we didn't damage our paint this way. So there you go. Take this tape off the other side a little bit. So we go, we get a file. And this way we can just kind of deburr this edge. And we'll turn it over. Get the other side. If you're worried about that little edge and seeing it, you can splash a little paint on it. Other than that, that's all there is. Don't go away. We're going to hang this up next in this video, show you how to get it back on the hinges and how it all works out perfect. So we're back on our project. I'm going to show you how to put that door back in. We pulled the hinge pins out of our hinge there. So we'll bring the door in and get that started. Sometimes they're hard to get in the room. Once they're in the room, they're easy to work with. And now you can bring this right up. Bring it right up like this. Lift up on it a little bit. A little need clearance at the bottom. Just kind of hold it there. You can see we don't have the top one lined up. There we go. Pick up one of your pins. And if you can drop it in the top one, that's the easiest. It goes in part way. Then you can work your way down the door. Get the middle one started. They're tapered so you can see how easy they drop in. Give you an idea here at the bottom. See, I can line that up. I'll just drop this in here and wiggle your door around a little. See how it dropped in? Now we're going to get a hammer, tap those down. All you do is tap them a little bit. The other thing we have to do is figure out where our door stopper goes. And I'm going to pull this tape off from this glued piece of trim. And we're going to close this door. We're going to put our tape right here on the floor so we know where to put our... So we put a tape on the floor right here so we know where to put our door stopper. We'll get that and put it in. Or you can see we left a pretty good gap underneath, so it's easy. Easy to fit up. Get all of our parts organized. Got this little piece here. We have to put this screw in. You can see where we put the tape on the floor. So we're just going to come down from there a little bit and put our screw in. And then we're going to take our stopper. It's got a little spot where this goes in. Just kind of twist it in like this so it gets tight. There you are. You're good to go. Now we can take our tape off the floor. Now when we open the door, it'll hit the stopper and the knob will not hit the wall. There you go. So when you put your hinge in, you want to tap this down. There you go. Our door is officially in. Welcome to the My Two Good Hands videos on the redo of our hall bath. So we're going to show you how to do tile. We're going to show you how to do the hardboard, remove a sink, install a sink, remove a toilet, install a toilet, remove a door, install a door, cut off the door, do baseboard and trim. Stay tuned. Watch the whole series. Each video is broke up on the channel. We'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video.